Want to make money in cryptocurrencies? Well, strap in, because we're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies, in the simplest terms, are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They're like the money you have in your bank account, but with a twist. Instead of being physical notes and coins that you can touch and feel, cryptocurrencies exist entirely in the digital realm. That means you can't hold a Bitcoin in your hand, but you can certainly use it to buy things or even as an investment, much like you would with traditional money. One of the defining characteristics of cryptocurrencies is decentralization. This means that they're not controlled by any government, central bank, or organization. Imagine a world where your money isn't subject to arbitrary rules and regulations imposed by some faceless institution. That's the promise of cryptocurrencies. They offer freedom from the traditional financial system and its gatekeepers. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin introduced the world to the concept of a decentralized peer-to-peer payment system that operates outside the control of any central authority. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have sprung up, each with its unique features and uses. However, before you rush off to buy your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's crucial to understand that the world of cryptocurrencies is not without its risks. The prices of cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, and it's not uncommon to see massive price swings in a single day. Therefore, investing in cryptocurrencies should not be taken lightly. Now that we have a basic understanding of what cryptocurrencies are, let's delve deeper into how they work. In the next part of our journey, we'll explore the magic that powers cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology. So, stick around, there's much more to learn about this exciting new frontier of finance. Cryptocurrencies function using a technology called blockchain, but what exactly is blockchain? Well, imagine a giant public ledger or a spreadsheet that's duplicated thousands of times across a network of computers. Now, envision that this network is designed to regularly update this spreadsheet, and you have yourself a basic understanding of blockchain. In simpler terms, blockchain technology is a decentralized database. Unlike traditional databases, which are stored on a single server and managed by a central authority, a blockchain is distributed across many computers, making it highly resistant to hacking or fraud. Now, let's talk transactions. When a transaction occurs, it's grouped together in a block with other transactions that have happened in the same time frame. Once a block is filled with transactions, it's added to the chain of previous transactions, hence the name blockchain. Here's where it gets interesting. Each block is given a unique code called a hash. This hash is like a fingerprint. It identifies a block and all of its contents. Now, here's the catch. If you change something inside the block, the hash will change too. This is crucial for security because if a hacker tries to tamper with the data, the block's hash will change, and it will no longer fit in the chain like before. And because everyone in the network has a copy of the blockchain, it would be nearly impossible for a hacker to alter every single copy of the blockchain simultaneously. This is how blockchain ensures security and transparency. Moreover, the information stored in a blockchain is public. That means anyone can view the details of the transactions, adding another layer of transparency to the system. So, in a nutshell, blockchain is a continuously growing list of records called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography. It's an ingenious invention, providing the foundation for a new type of internet, and of course the basis for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, the blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency, ensuring its security and transparency. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, but what about Ethereum or Litecoin? Let's dive into the world of key cryptocurrencies. Picture a bustling marketplace, each stall with its own unique goods. That's a bit like the cryptocurrency space, where each digital coin has its own unique features and uses. First up, we have Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all. Launched in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known and widely used. It's often likened to digital gold due to its finite supply of 21 million coins. Its primary use? A decentralized digital currency free from government control. Next, let's look at Ethereum. If Bitcoin is digital gold, think of Ethereum as digital oil. Launched in 2015, Ethereum introduced something quite revolutionary: smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They enable everything from decentralized finance to digital art marketplaces. Ethereum isn't just a digital currency, It's a platform for building decentralized applications, or dApps. And then there's Litecoin, created by Charlie Lee in 2011. Litecoin is often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It offers faster transaction confirmation times and a different hashing algorithm. It's a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near-zero cost payments to anyone in the world. But remember, this is just a glimpse into the bustling marketplace of cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of other digital currencies out there, from Ripple's XRP, meant for fast, low-cost international transactions, to privacy-focused coins like Monero. Each brings something unique to the table, responding to different needs and use cases in the digital world. Understanding these key cryptocurrencies and their unique features is crucial in navigating the crypto market. But as with any bustling marketplace, it's essential to do your research before making any purchases. These are just a few examples of the many cryptocurrencies available today. Before you can invest in cryptocurrencies, you'll need a secure place to store them. That's where cryptocurrency wallets come in. Just as you store your physical cash in a wallet, you store your digital cash, that is, your cryptocurrencies, in a digital wallet. But unlike your physical wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet doesn't actually store currency. Instead, it stores the keys that allow you to access and trade your cryptocurrency on the blockchain. There are different types of wallets, each with its own advantages and drawbacks. You've got hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are not. Hot wallets are more convenient for frequent trading and transactions, while cold wallets are more secure for long-term storage. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty: security. Your wallet is like your personal bank vault, and you wouldn't want anyone having unauthorized access to that, would you? So how do you keep your wallet safe? Firstly, keep your wallet updated. Wallet developers regularly release updates to fix security holes. Staying updated is like staying one step ahead of the bad guys. Secondly, create a strong password. A strong password is like a sturdy lock on your vault. It's your first line of defense against hackers, and we're not talking about your pet's name or your birthday. We're talking about a complex mix of numbers, letters, and symbols. Thirdly, make use of two-factor authentication, if it's available. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a second piece of information that only you know or have access to. Lastly, be careful with whom and where you share your wallet information. The same way you wouldn't broadcast your bank account details to the world, don't share your wallet keys or passwords. In this digital gold rush, your wallet is your gold mine, and it's up to you to keep it secure. Remember, securing your wallet is crucial in protecting your cryptocurrency investments. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, but what does this mean for potential investors? When we say the cryptocurrency market is volatile, we're referring to the fact that the prices of cryptocurrencies can change rapidly in a very short time, making it possible for investors to experience significant gains or losses. Investments in cryptocurrency are considered high-risk investments because of this volatility. Imagine you're on a roller coaster. That's cryptocurrency. One moment you're climbing up, heart pounding with anticipation, and the next, you're plummeting down at breakneck speed. That's the thrill and risk of the cryptocurrency market. It's a market that never sleeps, with prices that can swing wildly in the course of a day. Because of this volatility, it is not uncommon for the value of cryptocurrencies to swing by double-digit percentages within a single day. This is starkly different from traditional financial markets, which, while they can certainly be volatile, don't experience the same level of price swings. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market is driven by a number of factors. These include technological advancements, market supply and demand, regulatory news or events, and macroeconomic trends. For example, news of a major country banning cryptocurrencies can cause prices to plummet, while the announcement of a new partnership between a major corporation and a cryptocurrency could cause prices to surge. It's also important to understand that the crypto market is still relatively young and less regulated than other financial markets. This means it can be more susceptible to market manipulation and speculation, which can add to its volatility. That's why, before jumping into the exciting world of crypto, it's vital to do your homework. Understand the market trends, keep up to date with the latest news, and most importantly, only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, the higher the risk, the higher the potential returns. But the opposite is also true. The higher the risk, the higher the potential losses. That's why it's crucial to have a balanced approach to investing in cryptocurrency. While volatility can mean high returns, it can also lead to significant losses. Always invest wisely. Managing risk is a critical part of any investment strategy, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies. The world of digital currencies is an exciting one, full of potential for high returns. But remember, with high reward comes high risk. So, how can we navigate these choppy waters and ensure we don't capsize our financial boat? One of the most effective strategies for managing risk in cryptocurrency investing is diversification. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't invest all your money in a single cryptocurrency. Spread your investments across different digital currencies. This way, if one cryptocurrency takes a nosedive, you won't lose all your money. Think of diversification as your investment life jacket. It can help you stay afloat when the seas get rough. Another crucial risk management tool is setting stop-loss orders. This is basically a safety net for your investments. You set a predetermined price at which your cryptocurrency will be sold if the market price drops to that level. It's a way to prevent substantial losses and lock in profits when the market is volatile. Consider this as your investment compass, guiding you away from potential losses. Now, this might sound like a cliché, but it's worth repeating. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their wild price swings and unpredictability. You don't want to be in a position where a bad day in the market leads to a bad year in your life. So, be smart, be prudent, and don't bet your house on Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. Let's not forget, risk management isn't just about protecting your investment, it's also about protecting your peace of mind. Knowing you have measures in place to limit losses can make the roller coaster ride of cryptocurrency investing a little less stressful. Risk management can be the difference between success and failure in cryptocurrency investing. So, strap on that life jacket, grab your compass, and let's navigate these exciting yet turbulent cryptocurrency seas together. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires more than just buying low and selling high. It's like trying to cook a gourmet meal without understanding the ingredients or how they interact. And you wouldn't want to serve a half-baked dish now, would you? The same goes for investing. You need to know what you're putting your money into, and that means doing your homework. Imagine you're a detective, and your job is to gather as much information as you can about your case. In the world of investing, your case is the cryptocurrency you're considering. You need to understand the technology behind it. How does it work? What problem is it solving? What's the team behind it like? Are they reliable? Have they delivered on their promises in the past? But your detective work doesn't stop there. You also need to stay updated on market trends. Cryptocurrencies aren't isolated islands. They're part of a vast, interconnected financial ecosystem. A shift in one part of the system can send ripples throughout the rest, so keep an ear to the ground. Follow the news, participate in forums, join discussions. The more information you have, the better your decisions will be. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: speculative behavior. It's no secret that the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies can make them seem like a quick way to make a fortune. But remember, where there's potential for high reward, there's also high risk. Investing based on hunches or rumors isn't investing, it's gambling. And while it might be exciting, it's not a sustainable strategy. Instead, focus on responsible investing. This means only investing money you can afford to lose and diversifying your portfolio to spread the risk. It means staying patient and sticking to your strategy, even when the market is tempting you to stray. And most importantly, it means continuing to learn and grow as an investor. Because the world of cryptocurrencies is always evolving, and to stay ahead, you need to evolve with it. Remember, informed investing is responsible investing. So are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies? Let's rewind a bit and recall the key takeaways. We started with the basics of cryptocurrencies and how the underlying technology, blockchain, powers them. We then explored notable cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the pack. Security is paramount in this digital realm, so we covered how to secure your wallet to keep your investments safe. We talked about the volatile nature of these markets, a factor that can be both thrilling and nerve-wracking for investors. Risk management in cryptocurrency investing is crucial, and we discuss strategies to help you navigate this. And lastly, we emphasize the importance of thorough research before diving into any investment, because being informed is your best defense against potential pitfalls. Remember, cryptocurrency investing is not a guaranteed way to make money, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can be an exciting investment opportunity. Always invest responsibly. That's it for our beginner's guide to cryptocurrency investing. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. We'd love to hear from you, so please comment below on what you want to see in our next videos. Did you find this guide helpful? If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful and easy-to-understand videos on cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey into the world of cryptocurrency is just beginning. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, invest wisely.